Question is, which prophet was sold by some people in Egyptian market? Answer is Hazrat Yusuf, peace be upon him. Question is, who was in cave Hira with Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Answer, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu anhu. Question is, which prophet first served meal to guests? Answer is Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him. Question, name the five most important pillars of Islam. Answer, Tawheed, prayer, fast, charity, pilgrimage. Question, which prophet given first prophethood after Adam, peace be upon him? Answer, Hazrat Idris, peace be upon him. Question, which prophet made money with silver very first? Answer, Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him. Question, which prophet resurrected after 40 years of death? Answer, Hazrat Uzair, peace be upon him. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel and support us. Like the video, comment and share with others. Thank you once again for watching this video.